Hello everybody. It's been a while since I made a new video. So I recently got something on eBay. And it's a pretty rare item on eBay. I don't think anybody has ever seen this on YouTube. It might be the first one on YouTube to have one. So in this envelope here. So let's go ahead and see. Let's try and open it. Make a little piercing and newspaper. What's all this? Comics. Oh, bro, are you kidding me? I'm getting comics? Is that what I get? I get a letter. Just conforming the order. Alright. Private confidential stuff. It's a rare pull station. I'll assure you that. Comics. Why am I getting comics? Well, I feel something. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. Okay. Looks gold. Oh, must be a gold pull station. Must be. Nah. It ain't gold. Let's take all these newspapers out. Let's see if that was ever so easy to write or rip. Rip. I don't know why I said that. This thing is overly wrapped well. Well, I'm just gonna cut it ever so gently. I need to clean my room after this. This thing is wrapped like 5 times. And here we go. This is what I got. This is a Simplex. Oh, it's even opened. That's pretty nice. Okay, enough talk. This is a Simplex 2099 9798. This is a very rare pull station that I got today. I put it in the news. Okay, now it's locked. It's a pretty rare pull station here. I don't think anybody has ever seen it. Somebody's scratching my desk. It's like sharp. I just got this desk for a birthday. Come on, you can't be scratching it. Let's go ahead and pull it. That was overly easy to pull. It's even pulled. Yeah, it's been pulled. Let's go ahead and try to reset it. Yep. This is a very rare pull station. This is actually yeah, very rare pull station. This thing actually has, so one thing you notice about it is that it's got the New York City stripe on it. It's got a stripe running across it. This is a New York stripe, so this is meant for New York applications. Yeah, pretty easy to pull. It's better than those non-ADA compliant ones that you would, the older non-ADA compliant ones. Let's try that again. Comes with the Allen key. And yeah, that's what I got here. Pretty nice.